everyone! Welcome to my channel! A few weeks ago, a client asked me, how do I sell an ebook on Shopify and make sure it gets delivered automatically? If you've ever wondered the same thing, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set that up using an app called Filemonk. What makes Filemonk really powerful is that it supports all kinds of digital products. You can sell downloadable files, deliver license keys, or even share access to online content, like a private Google Drive folder, a course, or a Notion page. Let me show you how it works. Now we've already got Filemonk installed on our store. But if you haven't done that yet, just head over to the Shopify App Store. Search for Digital Downloads Filemonk and install it. Next, we'll create a digital product. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and click Add Product. Fill in the title and description and price just like you would for any other product. Here's the key part. Uncheck the box that says, "This is a physical product." This tells Shopify it's a digital product and doesn't need shipping. Then click Save. Now that your product is ready, open up Filemonk and upload your digital products file. And here's a small issue you might run into. You install the app, but the menu doesn't show up. So how do you fix that? Here's a quick tip. Just click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Pin to Navigation. Then refresh the page and voila, the Filemonk menu appears. Find the product you just created and click on it. Let's add the files you've already uploaded to the product. In our case, we'll be adding the digital paintings. There's also an option to add a license key. Alright, that's done. Now there's just one final step, adding the download block to the checkout page. Head over to your theme editor. Click on Checkout and Customer Account. Then go into the App Settings section and enable the download button. Let's test it out by placing an order. On the Thank You page, you'll see a download button right away. And because I've set it up, the customer will also get an email with a download button. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.